Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Ubiquiti with Mikrotik with Cisco and with the TP-Link. So first on the Ubiquiti, user-friendly interface, you have like Unify controller, affordable compared to enterprise-grade brands, reliable performance for smaller businesses, good ecosystem, easy centralized management. So you have like limited advanced enterprise features, that's very important, not as customizable as Mikrotik or Cisco. And then there are also occasional firmware quality concerns. So this is something that you have to be kind of like aware of. Now, on the other hand, with Mikrotik, when we go, so with Mikrotik, extremely affordable for the features offered. Router-wise provides deep customization and flexibility, ideal for complex custom network setups, wide range of devices for both home and enterprise, good community support and documentation. On the other hand, the cons is that you have steep learning curve, not beginner friendly, interface can be overwhelming for non-experts, and supports mostly community driven. So that's for the Mikrotik. Now with the Cisco, you have industry leader in enterprise networking, extremely reliable hardware and software, advanced security and feature set, scales easily for large business and data centers, professional support and training ecosystem. Now the cons is it's very expensive, including hardware and licensing, overkill for home or small businesses, complex setup and management for non-professionals. Now the TP-Link is that budget friendly and widely available, very easy to set up for home users, good enough for small offices and households, offers both consumer and small business product lines, Deco, Omada. Now the cons, not designed for enterprise grade reliability and limited advanced configuration options. So also the hardware may not last as long as higher brands, so that's something that you have to be kind of like aware of with TP-Link. Now, so the Ubiquiti, best balance of price, performance and usability, best for networking professionals who want maximum control and low cost. Go with Cisco if best for large enterprises needing reliability, security and advanced features. And with the TP-Link, best for home users or small offices on a budget who need simplicity and affordability. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.